Have you ever wondered what would happen to your family if you weren't around tomorrow? It's a tough thought, but that's exactly where life insurance steps in. From paying bills to securing your kids' education, life insurance helps protect your loved ones financially if life takes an unexpected turn. In simple terms, life insurance is your family's financial safety net. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down. Welcome to Learn to Insure, your go-to place for simple, clear insurance guides without the jargon. In this video, we'll explain what life insurance is, how it works, the main types, and how to choose the right one for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start protecting your family and your peace of mind. Let's start with the basics. Life insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay regular premiums, and in return, the company promises to pay a death benefit to your beneficiaries when you pass away. That payout helps your loved ones cover expenses like daily bills, mortgage, debts, or even future education costs. There are two main types of life insurance you should know: term life insurance and whole life insurance. Term life insurance covers you for a set period like 10, 20, or 30 years and pays out if you pass away during that time. It's usually the most affordable and straightforward type, making it a great option for young families or anyone on a budget. Whole life insurance, on the other hand, lasts your entire lifetime and builds something called cash value over time. That cash value grows tax-deferred, and you can even borrow against it later, kind of like a built-in savings account. So, in short, term life is simple and temporary, while whole life is permanent and builds value. The right choice depends on your goals, lifestyle, and financial plans. When buying life insurance, think about how much coverage you need, for how long, and how it fits your monthly budget. A good rule of thumb is to choose coverage worth 10 to 15 times your annual income to cover key expenses like mortgage, education, and income replacement. The application process is simple. You fill out a form, answer a few health questions, and sometimes take a quick medical exam. Once approved, you start paying premiums, either monthly or yearly, to keep your coverage active. As long as you pay your premiums, your loved ones remain protected year after year. Life insurance gives your family financial stability and peace of mind when they need it most. And it's not just for parents. Single adults, entrepreneurs, and anyone with financial dependence can benefit too. Here's a quick tip. The younger and healthier you are, the lower your premiums will be. So, starting early really pays off in the long run. Always review your policy carefully. Understand what's covered, what's not, and who your beneficiaries are. With the right policy, you're not just buying insurance, you're buying peace of mind for your family's future. To recap, choose between term and whole life insurance. Start early to save more, and review your plan regularly. Avoid common mistakes like waiting too long, underestimating your coverage needs, or letting your policy lapse. Instead, plan smart, protect your loved ones, and give them the financial comfort they deserve. If this video helped you understand life insurance, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe to Learn to Insure for more easy guides on life, health, car, and business insurance. See you in the next one.